Hello students, myself Zada ma'am. Once again I welcome you all in this online lecture of Innovative Public School. I hope you are fine over there. Today we are going to learn Environmental Studies Part 1. Today's chapter is chapter number 3, the Earth and its living world.
The third domain of the Earth is atmosphere. Atmosphere, the Earth is surrounded by a layer of gas. It's called the atmosphere. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of gas called the atmosphere. The atmosphere extends up to height of about 1600 kilometers. The atmosphere extends up to height about 1600 kilometers. The atmosphere is divided into 5 layers based on composition, temperature and other properties. The atmosphere divided into 5 layers based on composition, temperature and other properties. They are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Composition of the atmosphere. Nitrogen and oxygen are two major gases which make up the bulk of the atmosphere. Nitrogen and oxygen are two gases which make the bulk of the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide, helium, ozone, argon and hydrogen are found in the lesser quantities. Carbon dioxide, helium, ozone, argon and hydrogen are found in less quantity. Apart from these gases, tiny dust particles are also present in the air. Tiny dust particles also present in the air. So listen carefully the percent of different constituents of air. Note down in your book. Nitrogen available 78% in the atmosphere. Then second, oxygen available 21% in the atmosphere. Then argon 0.93% available in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide 0.03% available in the atmosphere. All others 0.04% available in the atmosphere. I repeat again here. Nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, argon 0.93%, carbon dioxide 0.03% and all other 0.04%. The first, nitrogen. Plants need nitrogen for their survival. Plants need nitrogen for their survival. They cannot take nitrogen directly from the air. Bacteria that lives in the soil and roots of some plants take nitrogen from the air and changes its form so that plants can use it. Plants need nitrogen for the survival and bacteria that lives in the soil and root of some plants take nitrogen from the air and changes its form so that plants can use it. The next important gas is oxygen. Humans and animals take oxygen from the air as they breathe. Green plants produce oxygen during photosynthesis, which make oxygen content in the air. Green plants produce oxygen during photosynthesis and which make oxygen content in the air. Then next gas is carbon dioxide. Green plants use carbon dioxide to make their food and release oxygen. Green plants use carbon dioxide to make their food and release oxygen. Humans or animals release carbon dioxide which is equal to the amount used by the plants, which make a perfect balance. However, the balance is upset by burning of fuels such as coal and oil, which result increased volume of carbon dioxide and that affecting the Earth's weather and climate. About 99% of clean and dry air in the atmosphere is composed mainly of nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen 78% and oxygen 21%, and other gases like carbon dioxide, argon and other comprises 1% by volume. The envelope of air around the earth is called the atmosphere. As we go higher from the surface of the earth, the air in the atmosphere becomes rare. The air consists of a mixture of gases, namely nitrogen, oxygen, water vapor, carbon dioxide and dust particles. There are some other gases too in the air in a very small quantities. Let's see a video for more information about composition of air.
Composition of air. In this module, you will learn about the composition of air. Sid is walking in a garden with his mother.
Mama, I always enjoy being in a garden. I feel so refreshed here.
Yes, son, even I feel the same. The air in the garden is really refreshing. Sid's mother is absolutely right. Wherever there are trees, the surrounding air is quite clean and fresh. It is because the trees release oxygen into the air, which is an integral part of air. Trees help in maintaining the level of oxygen in the air, which is important for the survival of living beings. Air does not only contain oxygen, but there are several other gases present in it as well. In fact, air is a mixture of gases. Let us now find out what gases air is composed of. The biggest component of air is nitrogen. It comprises around 78% of the air. Out of the remaining 22%, 21% of air is composed of oxygen. So, nitrogen and oxygen gases form about 99% of air. The remaining 1% of air consists of several gases including carbon dioxide, argon, helium, neon, hydrogen, ozone and water vapor. So kids, now you know what air is composed of. Let's recap. Air is a mixture of gases. Two major components of air are nitrogen and oxygen. They comprise 99% of air. Gases such as carbon dioxide, argon, helium, neon, hydrogen, ozone and water vapor comprise 1% of air.